Hi, this is Ian Matthew, Technical Marketing Manager for Autodesk Oil and Gas Solutions. Welcome to the AutoCAD Plant 3D Getting Started video, Orthographics Drawings Part 2. In Part 1 we covered the basics of the new ortho creation methods introduced in AutoCAD Plant 3D 2014. I showed you the features listed here. In Part 2 we'll take a look at the new project-wide ortho settings. I'll show you some of the new annotations, features, including how they update when the model is changed, and we'll also cover dimensions. So let's get started. We'll start by bringing up Project Setup from the ribbon. You'll now see a new section, Ortho DWG Settings, and under that, Title Block and Display. Here we can define the Ortho Drawing folder for the project as well as for the default drawing template. At the bottom you'll see two default options. On the left, whether to show hidden line piping by default, and on the right, whether center lines are cornered or curved through elbows. Clicked on the Setup Title Block button. Just as with ISOs, we can make changes to the title block. I'll click Ortho Settings in the ribbon. Here in this dialog, you can see that each ortho element has a special layer mapping that you can change if necessary to meet your company's standards. Note that you can also specify the maximum size for small bore piping, and you can set the default styles for dimensions, multi-leaders and text. Having exited Project Setup, let's take a look at an ortho drawing with cornered elbow center lines and update it to use the new project-wide setting, Curved. I click on the plan view, select Update View, and now you can see the curved elbow center lines. Also note that hidden line piping does not show here. On now to annotations. When I right-click in a clear area, I'll see all of the annotation possibilities. Let's choose bottom of pipe as a demonstration and place the annotation above the pipe. It will display the bottom of pipe elevation for that selected pipe. Now I'll show you another method. I'll click Ortho Annotation in the ribbon, and when I click the pipe, I have a choice limited by context. I simply accept the first choice by pressing Enter. If the annotation style includes leader lines, you'll be prompted for the leader positions, as you see here. Now, let's look at how the annotation updates in line with the changes in the model. Let's go to the model and we'll change the line size from 10 inches to 8 inches. We'll use the Locate in 3D Model command to zoom directly to a specified pipe segment in the model. In the Properties palette, I change the line size from 10 inches to 8 inches and save. Notice that the reducers are automatically inserted. Now, let's return to the ortho drawing and right-click on the view. Click Validate View, and we're informed that the view needs updating. I right-click again, Update View, and notice the change to both piping and the annotation. Now, let's take a look at dimensioning. Here we've zoomed in on a plan view. I'll click Dimension in the Ortho View ribbon. The dimensioning functionality is from native AutoCAD, so the techniques you're familiar with in AutoCAD can be used here. Since we're going to spend a little time dimensioning, we'll take a moment to set up our OSNAP defaults to endpoints. This should make it a little bit easier while we're dimensioning. Let's add a few more dimensions to the plan view. For each dimension, we click Dimensions in the Ortho ribbon, snap to each side and place the dimension. I think you all know how to dimension, so I'll just go ahead and place some more. You can see how easy it is to dimension the simplified and flattened geometry created in the ortho view. Now let's go ahead and place a vertical dimension. And now we'll hide the project manager. Let's turn off some of the drawing layers and see what happens. Each view uses a unique layer name, which is combined from the model and the ortho view name. So here we've turned off a number of layers. As you can see, annotating, updating and dimensioning orthographic drawings with AutoCAD Plant 3D is simple and straightforward. For more videos on AutoCAD Plant 3D, simply visit the URL shown here. Thank you for watching.